Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify trust of the developer. So if you are trying to install the Scarlet app in your iPhone and you are facing this problem again and again and you are unable to install the Scarlet app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that simply watch this video till the end. First of all, go back to your home screen and from here you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I'll force restart the device, and after this track down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, if it is not working properly, then you have to set your internet connection first. So guys, after this go back and from here open settings in your device, and from here you have to scroll it below, and from here you have to turn off the VPN if it is connected. So I turn off the VPN and from here scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your device to the latest version from here. And after this go back and from here you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings and reset your network settings in your device. And after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So if you're still facing this problem, then you have to contact Apple support team for further information and help. So for that simply open your browser, search here for support.apple.com. Here it is. So guys, wait for some seconds and from here you have to select your device, and after this scroll it below all the way, and from here you can tap on get support and you will be able to get support from the Apple team. So hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.